Pen hold grip. Number 1. Front side. Similar to holding a pen, the thumb and index finger will curl around the handle and rest on the rubber, as shown in figure 1. Pen hold grip. Number 1. Number 2 is back side. The remaining 3 fingers are extended along the back of the racket. The middle finger and the ring finger touch the blade, and the little finger gently follows these 2 fingers as shown in figure 2. Reverse pen hold grip. Number 1. Front side. The thumb index finger curl around the handle and rest on the rubber. The thumb should press a little bit harder as shown in figure 1. Number 2 is back side. The remaining 3 fingers are extended along the back of the racket. The middle finger and the ring finger are placed flat on the rubber, allowing the position of the blade to be fixed and the force to be more concentrated. And the little finger just gently follows the 2 fingers as shown in figure 2.